Welcome to the Mailzzy registration process. Let's take a step-by-step look at how easy it is to sign up or sign in to Mailzzy. Visit our website www.mailzzy.com and click Sign Up if you haven't registered yet. If you are already a registered user, click on Sign In. After clicking Sign Up, you will be redirected to the Mailzzy Create Account page. Fill in your first name, last name, company name, contact number, email ID, and password. Then click Create Account to proceed. Due to security reasons, we will send you a verification email. Check your inbox and click on the link to verify your account. If it's not in your inbox, don't forget to check your spam or junk folder. Once you have verified your email, you will be redirected to the Mailzzy login page. Enter your email ID and password to log in. Congratulations! You are now a part of the Mailzzy family. Welcome aboard. Now you can start exploring Mailzzy's powerful AI features. With Mailzzy, it's that simple. Join thousands of business and start your email marketing journey today. Visit our website www.mailzzy.com to register and experience the power of Mailzzy. Start your 30 days free trial today.